just take a good look at this ogbono. Yeah, this ogbono is very delicious. So today I'll be showing you one common mistake people make when cooking their ogbono soup. So let's get started. So first of all, I started by steaming my beef, and then I've seasoned it, and then I allow it to cook for just a few minutes, and now I'm adding my stock fish. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for 5 minutes so that everything can come together. After that, I set it aside, and then in another pot I added hot water, and then in another bowl I added palm oil, and then I allowed it to heat up just a little bit, and then add my grounded ogbono to form a smooth paste. So here is where most people make the mistake. People usually fry the ogbono direct, and when frying they allow it to overstay, like they allow it to overcook when frying it. So if you use this method, you will not overcook your ogbono. So it's either you do it this method, or you add your ogbono in a bowl and heat up your palm oil and mix it before transferring it into the pot. So now that I'm done mixing it up, then I transferred into my cooking pot. Then here I just added egusi, grounded egusi. So this is optional, guys. You can decide to skip it. It's optional. It's not everyone that love adding egusi inside their ogbono, but in this recipe I added egusi into it, and I allow it to cook for another 4 minutes. I covered it to cook for 4 minutes. Then after 4 minutes I went back to add my seasoning, my salt, and then pepper. Then once that is done, test to know if the flavor, like if they are okay to your taste. If there's anything to adjust, this is where you do it, and then you cover again and allow it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then guys, this is the final part of it. After 3 minutes, add your vegetable, any vegetable of your choice. In this video I use spinach because this is what my this is what I could lay my hands on. So you can use any vegetable of your choice. So after I added my spinach, I only allowed it to steam, yeah, for just 30 seconds, and guys, our ogbono is ready. You can see how delicious this is looking, guys. Then guys, I enjoyed mine with oat swallow, yes, oat fufu. In my video I'll be showing you guys how I made this oats, yeah. So but for today, this is just about ogbono soup. And guys, what do you think about this method? Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy my video. Thank you all guys for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Please do not forget to like, share and comment. Support me, guys. This is the only way I can grow on this channel. Bye guys.
With every chop and every fry, she's painting stars in the food sky, baking dreams and serving smiles. She's making gourmet flavors worth the miles, from hearty soups to sweet